So I have 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. I'm being asked to factor this. First thing you should look for is a GCF. So is there a number that goes into 2, 7, and 6? And the answer there is no, except for 1. And they all don't have an x, so then we move to the second step. The second step, I take 2 times 6. I put that on top. And then I take my middle number, which is positive 7, and I put that on the bottom. Now I start thinking about the number 12, and I start thinking about what multiplies to 12. 1 and 12 multiply to 12. But when you add 1 and 12, you get 13, right? And then 2 and 6 multiply to 12, but when you add them, you get 8. And then 3 and 4 multiply to 12, and then when you add them, you get 7. So that's the numbers I want, 3 and 4. If you put 4 and 3, same thing. Okay. From there, I put my x with the 3, x with the 4. And now, if this number were a 1, we would be finished, but it's not a 1, so I need to divide both of these by 2. So you always divide by the number in front. Now 3 divided by 2, that makes 2x plus 3, because the 2 slides to the front. And then here, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the 2 slid to the front, whereas this 4 divided by 2 reduces, goes to 2. Now to make sure we're correct, 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 2 is 4x, that'd be 3x, 7x, 3 times 2 is 6. Now there's also another way you can check your answer. Okay, so what we did is we went out to Desmos, we typed in the original quadratic in standard form. All this tells me is it opens up and has a y-intercept of 6. So looky there, y-intercept of 6. This one tells me that the x-intercepts are negative 3/2 and negative 2, which we have here. Negative 3/2 and then negative 2. And notice they are the same thing.